Did you know that cardboard can suppress weeds in the garden? Remove all the tapes and stickers from the collapsed cardboard boxes. If the stickers are hard to peel, grab a knife and carefully cut the cardboard slightly to peel the sticker along with the first layer of the cardboard. Once the stickers and tapes are removed, cut the cardboard into pieces. I usually cut it in the areas where they were folded. If the cardboard box has staples, simply remove them using tools like pliers. I use gardening knife called hori hori or weeding knife. Avoid using glossy or wax-coated cardboard like this, as they may not break down easily and can contain harmful chemicals. Lay the sheets of cardboard directly on the ground, making sure the edges overlap to cover the ground completely. This helps prevent weeds from finding spaces to grow through. The cardboard will block sunlight and prevent weeds from photosynthesizing, inhibiting their growth. Generally, cardboard can provide weed suppression for several months to a year, depending on the thickness and quality of the cardboard. After laying it down, soak the cardboard with water. The moisture helps the cardboard break down faster and start decomposing. To enhance the garden's appearance and hide the cardboard's unattractive look, I'm putting black wood chips mulch on top of it. This will also create a layer of rich soil as it breaks down. Other materials like compost, straw, grass clippings, and leaves can also be used. If you want to plant in the area, just cut through the cardboard to make a hole for your plants. Here it is, all done with mulching this area. It took some time to finish because I had other projects going on at the same time. The cardboard had gotten old and worn out, but I'm happy that this area is finally completed. If you noticed that some of the cardboard is not covered by wood mulch, it's because it goes beyond the garden area. I did that to cover every corner and curve of the garden. Those overhang cardboards will eventually deteriorate and separate from the rest. Just remember, while cardboard is useful, some tough weeds might still manage to grow through it, so you might need to keep an eye out for those and remove them by hand. Otherwise, this method is a simple and natural way to control weeds in your garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated. Again, thank you, and until next time, bye-bye.